Little did you know, my hair is actually really curly. Check it out. Normally, I use a hair straightener, and this is what it looks like. I've had this one for years, about 20 years now, and it's been through a lot. I've got it duct tape up. I've got a little thing holding the plate together. I love this hair straightener, and I didn't want to see it fail, but unfortunately I stepped on it the other day, so now I'm gonna have to resort to something else. So I looked on Amazon and there was a deal, $49.99 and free shipping, so I got it. So here it is, the Angenil flat iron hair straightener. Comes in this really nice box. And you get this little pouch that feels like velour or velvet. You get the hair straightener itself and a heat pad that you can put your straightener on when you're not using it. It will help protect your furniture. A long cord. And the straightener itself. It's a really pretty color as well. It's a nice size. You also get instructions in several different languages, although it doesn't tell you how to turn it on. That's the only downfall. But it does give you different techniques and tips. And you also get a mini little brush that comes with it as well. First, I'm going to blow dry my hair. Now, I'm going to take my hair iron and my cool pad that you can place it on when it's hot, you know, so you don't burn anything. And I'm going to plug it in. And once I do that, it does say off right here. Now you don't want to leave this plugged in, okay? Make sure to unplug it because it does have a warning. You know, it's not to be left on. Now, once you've done that, there's a little button right here. You want to just click on that. And now it's turned on. And you can adjust the temperature right here. So there's these two buttons here to adjust the temperature. And I'm going to put mine at 340 to start. It does get quite hot, so just be careful. You can kind of feel the heat. Okay, so it's reached 340 right now. So I'm going to start doing my hair. So I'm going to just push it up a little higher. 60, 80, 90. So it's at 410 now. So let's just see what happens here. It's just heating up right now. There, it's already there. Like, that is so quick. I think it works good. I like it so far. Just make sure I got everything. Definitely works good. And now you just want to click the button to shut it off. It says off now. And now I'm going to take my mat, put it down on a hard surface, and then I'm going to put my hair iron on top. I'm not going to unplug it just now, just in case I want to turn it back on, but I like it. It works good. Let's see how it looks in the back. What do you think? Did I miss any? I'm liking it. Angenil hair iron? Yes, please. If you'd like to see me do more reviews, make sure to contact me. For another cool review, click on the next video. Bye for now.